How to change background color on Instagram story. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Now, changing your background color on Instagram story is pretty simple. Now, all you gotta do is first proceed to add into your story and select the image that you like to add on your story. So for instance, I want this particular image added here and I'll select this. Then what you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots here. If you do not find the draw icon here, you can see the little lines icon here, the draw icon. You want to tap on it, and then now you want to select here the color that you like to draw, for example black here. So for instance, you want black or you want blue here, you want to tap on that particular color, for example green here. Then you want to tap and hold on your screen and you can see, boom, your screen is changed. Similarly, if you want blue, select tap on blue and then tap and hold on blue and it'll be blue. So this is how you can change your background color on Instagram story. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.